westbound down the Ryden. What's this train station called?
Huh?
What's this train station called, Ryden?
Wernersville train station.
Well, go check. Well, this here. So there goes a westbound down Wernersville train station, which is abandoned, by the way. Is it still rolling? Okay, so my name's Car King. I'm kind of new to the YouTube life, so go check out my channel. It's called Car King, and also keep watching
Trash Train DPU Productions.
Well, watch Ryden's videos. Watch Ryden's videos. All right, bye.
Bye bye.